Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we will be showcasing cotton kota sarees and printed cotton kota sarees అనేది చూడబోతున్నాము. Pure cotton kota fabrics మీద complete block printed sarees ఇది, and all these sarees comes with printed blouses, a very soft and light fabric, easily maintain చేసుకోవచ్చు ఈ fabrics ని. Cotton kotas అన్నప్పుడు ఈ sarees అనేది మనకి కొంచెం transparency అనేది ఉంటుంది, and all these sarees way below 500 grams. ఈ sarees ఇంట్లో హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ రిక్వైర్ యూ కెన్ కీప్ స్టార్చ్. మేమైతే స్టార్చ్ రికమెండ్ చేయట్లేదు, మీ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో దాని ప్రకారం యూ కెన్ మెయింటైన్ దిస్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. విత్ స్టార్చ్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ స్టార్చ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అయితే బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ సారీస్ కంప్లీట్ బ్లాక్ ప్రింటెడ్ సారీస్ ఇవి. సో ఈ రోజు కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ కాటన్ కోటాస్ చూద్దాం. హౌ టు షాప్ your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. The first design for today neen drape cheskunna cotton kota saree andi. It's a baby pink, light baby pink shade ki dark baby pink color combination lo vastundi. So throughout the body floral and bandhani printed patterns aithe body mottam vastundi. Color combination chaala pleasant ga untundi, and both sides we have dark color borders. కొంచెం పెద్ద బార్డర్ అనేది వస్తుంది, 7-inch బార్డర్, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింటెడ్ మోటివ్స్ అయితే బార్డర్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. సో పల్లు కూడా ఇట్స్ రన్నింగ్ పల్లు విత్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్ బార్డర్. బార్డర్ లో కూడా ప్రింటెడ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్, ఇట్స్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్ ఫర్ ద స్లీవ్స్, అండ్ ద సారీ is priced at 890 free shipping. A sky blue shaded bandhani printed cotton kota saree matched with a floral printed border. The saree carries a running pallu and blouse. A peach color bandhani printed cotton kota saree matched with orange color printed border. The saree is paired up with a printed cotton kota blouse priced at 890 free shipping. A baby pink color bandhani printed cotton kota saree matched with contrast grey color borders. The saree is priced at 890 free shipping. A brown color cotton kota saree, the next pattern in cotton kotas andi. Brown color base ki we have contrast beige color borders. So throughout the body we have floral printed motifs అనేది ఉంటుంది. కొంచెం పెద్ద బంచెస్ అనేది వస్తుంది, 10 to 15-inch bunches, multi color bunches అనేది throughout the body కి ఉంటుంది. And both sides beige base మీద గ్రీన్ అండ్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఇట్స్ a 6-inch ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్ ఆన్ either sides. And this is the పల్లు. సో పల్లు కూడా ఇలా మనకి రన్నింగ్ ప్యాటర్న్ పల్లులో చిన్న ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది పల్లుకి. And this is the blouse, a beige with brown color combination printed blouse, and this is priced at 890 free shipping. The next one, it's a green color cotton kota saree. This saree also carries light green shaded kalamkari pattern printed borders on either sides, priced at 890 free shipping. A black color floral printed cotton kota saree matched with grey color borders on either side. A purple color printed cotton kota saree matched with baby pink color borders. This saree carries a contrast color printed pallu and blouse. A green color printed cotton kota saree matched with lemon yellow shaded. The next color combination, it's a green color cotton kota saree with a pastel green color floral printed border, priced at 890 free shipping. A dark peach shaded cotton kota saree with a baby pink color border. The border carries contrast royal blue and brown color printed motif, priced at 890 free shipping. An olive green color cotton kota saree. This saree comes with a multicolor floral printed motifs running through the body, matched with a contrast color printed pallu and blouse. The next one, it's a bandhani printed cotton kota saree. All these sarees comes in pastel shades. The first one, it's a light peach shaded bandhani printed cotton kota saree. So this saree carries contrast white color bandhani printed motifs running through the body. It's a borderless saree on one side, and the other side we have a 4-inch bandhani pattern printed border, and this is the pallu. So pallu also comes with a similar color combination, a running pattern printed pallu. The saree comes with a kota blouse, a running kota blouse, priced at 890 free shipping. A grey color bandhani printed cotton kota saree. This saree carries a running printed pallu and blouse. Baby pink color bandhani printed cotton kota saree. The saree carries printed borders on one side, matched with a plain kota blouse. An orange color bandhani printed cotton kota saree. The saree carries contrast white color printed motifs, priced at 890 free shipping. A lemon yellow shaded bandhani printed cotton kota saree. This saree also comes with printed borders. The saree carries a printed pallu and blouse. A dark peach shaded bandhani printed cotton kota saree. This saree comes with contrast white color printed motifs matched with a printed pallu and blouse. A green color bandhani printed cotton kota saree. The saree carries a running kota blouse priced at 890 free shipping. The next color combination, the next pattern in cotton kota sari. This is also a complete floral printed cotton kota sari, an orange color cotton kota sari. So this sari carries multicolor printed motifs running through the body. The sari comes with beige color printed borders on either side. On a beige base you have green with orange color printed motifs. So this is the complete pattern for the sari, and this is the pallu. It's a running pallu with a small printed border. The sari comes with a beige and orange color printed blouse priced at 890 free shipping. An elephant grey color cotton kota sari. This sari comes with steel grey color printed border. The sari carries contrast floral printed motifs running throughout the body priced at 890 free shipping. A yellow color cotton kota sari. This sari comes with beige color printed borders. The border carries beige with purple color printed motifs priced at 890 free shipping. A green color cotton kota sari with a light green shaded printed motifs running through the body matched with a contrast color printed pallu and blouse. A royal blue color cotton kota sari. This sari comes with light sky blue shaded printed borders. The sari carries a contrast color pallu and blouse. A green color cotton kota sari matched with light green shaded floral printed borders. The sari comes with a printed pallu and blouse priced at 890 free shipping. The next pattern in cotton kota andi. It's a borderless cotton kota sari. It's a royal blue shaded kota sari. So this sari carries paisley pattern printed motifs throughout the body. Manaki white, green and orange color combination lo 10 inches ki printed motifs anedi body ki ostundi. One side borderless, the other side sky blue base meeda brown with blue color combination floral printed borders anedi untundi. And this is the pallu. So pallu kuda chaala baguntundi. Same border lo ostunna print pallu ki ostundi. It's an 80 cm pallu, contrast color printed pallu. The sari comes with a sky blue color blouse priced at 890 free shipping. A green color cotton kota sari. This sari carries light green color printed motifs. One side border. The sari comes with a contrast color pallu and blouse. A brown color cotton kota sari. The sari comes with beige color printed motifs. The sari is priced at 890 free shipping. A pink color cotton kota sari. This sari carries lemon yellow shaded printed borders. The sari comes with multicolor printed motifs running throughout the body, and this is priced at 890 free shipping. A dark peach shaded cotton kota sari. This sari comes with multicolor printed motifs. The sari carries a light baby pink shaded border on one side priced at 890 free shipping. An orange color cotton kota sari. This sari comes with lemon yellow shaded floral printed motifs. The sari comes with a contrast color printed pallu and blouse. A purple color cotton kota sari with baby pink color borders. The sari carries multicolor printed motifs running throughout the body. A green color cotton kota sari with lemon yellow shaded printed motifs. The sari comes with a contrast color pallu. The sari carries a running kota blouse priced at 890 free shipping. An elephant grey color cotton kota sari with floral printed motifs running through the body. The sari comes with a contrast color blouse priced at 890 free shipping. A yellow color cotton kota sari with contrast white color printed borders. The sari comes with a similar color printed pallu and blouse. A dark pink shaded cotton kota sari with contrast baby pink color borders. The sari comes with a pink color pallu and blouse priced at 890 free shipping. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Cotton kotas lo different types of printed patterns lo ee roju sarees chusamandi. All these are priced only at 890 free shipping. Deentlo meeku edi kavalana just send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which has been displayed on the screen. Thank you and happy shopping.